3, 2, 1, hands up. Contestants, please bring your dishes to the judging table. Do you think you have what it takes to go head-to-head with a professional chef? Welcome to Terps vs. Pros, a cooking competition that pits UMD students against culinary pros in sustainable food battles. Hi, I'm Patrick Keenan, your host for the series. We are here in the 251 North Dining Hall in the University of Maryland College Park. For today's challenge, our competitors are making a 2-course meal featuring ingredients selected from the Campus Pantry. Let's meet our student and chef facing off today.
Hi, my name is Semira. I'm a junior here at the university, and I'm an intern at the Campus Pantry.
Hi, my name is Jerome. I'm a chef here at 251 North at the University of Maryland.
You have 45 minutes to prepare 2 dishes using non-perishable and fresh products from the Campus Pantry. Are you ready? Your time starts now. The Campus Pantry is an important resource for our community. Earlier, I went to the Campus Pantry to find out what's on their shelves. I'm here at the Campus Pantry with 2 interns, Precious and Emily. So Emily, what is the Campus Pantry?
The Campus Pantry was established in 2014 to solve our campus's food insecurity problem among students. Those students didn't have fresh or reliable access to food, and the Campus Pantry gives them that.
Precious, what kind of food is at the Campus Pantry?
We have a variety of non-perishable and canned goods, like some soups, some pastas, and some vegetables. And we also get a lot of produce from the Terp farm.
That's great. Emily, who's welcome at the Campus Pantry?
All students, staff, and faculty are welcome at the Campus Pantry. All they have to do is show their University of Maryland ID, and they can come and get free food here without any judgments or questions.
That's great. So Precious, how can folks get to the Campus Pantry?
The amazing thing is we're located in the center of campus. So all you have to do is come to the health center, get to the basement, and follow the signs to the Campus Pantry.
That's great. Well, thank you very much, Precious and Emily, for showing me around. As you can see, there's a lot of great food here. Let's see how our competitors are including them in their dishes. Hey, Semira, what are you preparing and how does it factor into your dish today?
At the Campus Pantry, I see many ingredients that aren't taken. And so today I'll be using pearl barley to prepare a mushroom and spinach risotto, and instant oats to prepare an apple crumble.
Sounds good. I'll let you get back to cooking.
Thank you.
Chef, what are you cooking today?
At the pantry, I saw a lot of Asian-inspired ingredients. So with tuna, I'll be doing a Thai fish cake, and then I'll be doing a bok choy stir fry, and with leftover brown rice, I'm doing coconut rice pudding.
Sounds good, and you're making good time. I'll catch up with you later.
Thank you.
I'm here with our judges, Dr. Margaret Udahogora of the Nutrition and Food Science Department, and Rob Fahey, Executive Chef of Dining Services. Dr. Yu, we challenged our competitors to use a combination of both fresh and pantry items.
Yes, our Campus Pantry carries non-perishable items and receives fresh produce from the Terp farm to help UMD community add fresh fruits and vegetables into a balanced diet. Our competitors are actually using vegetables to add some flavor and freshness into their items from the pantry.
Chef Rob, pantry items last a long time, but non-perishables can be difficult because they can go bad quickly.
Yes, first things first, when you bring your produce home from the pantry, you're going to want to clean it, wash it really good, and then refrigerate it for a longer shelf life.
Thanks, Chef Rob. Our contestants will be judged on taste, nutrition, and creative incorporation of fresh produce. There's only a few minutes left in the competition. Three, 2, 1, hands up. Contestants, please bring your dishes to the judging table. First up, Semira starts her meal with a mushroom and spinach risotto.
This is really delicious. This is what I call comfort food. I know barley is not the most used item in the pantry, but this recipe really brings out the barley.
This is delicious and creamy without adding any dairy. Additionally, the barley is high in fiber, so I would strongly recommend it.
Next up is the quick apple crumble.
Apples are still crisp. There's plenty of sugar. And with this dish, the students might have all the ingredients in their home.
This is very good. I like the way the oatmeal and the whole wheat add some crunchiness to the apple, which has the skin on, and this is great for adding more fiber and nutrients into the dish. Very good.
Chef Jerome's first dish is a Thai tuna fish cake with bok choy stir fry and steamed brown rice.
The tuna is very well done. It's a great source of good fat, and which is important for our heart and brain.
Very creative recipe. This is very delicious. And the stir-fry vegetables make a quick side dish.
Finally, Chef Jerome made coconut rice pudding.
This is a great snack or dessert with just 5 ingredients. You can't even tell it has brown rice. And I also like the flavor of the coconut, and it's a great dish for people who cannot use dairy products.
I love the use of golden raisins. And it's a great way to use up all your extra rice that you have left over.
So judges, what do you think? Chef Rob?
Well, I thought the orzoto was a delicious dish. Wasn't too salty. I thought the mushroom flavor was spot on.
The barley was actually surprisingly very delicious, creamy, and without any dairy. It would have been better to add the spinach maybe a little bit later because they were overcooked.
The apple crisp, I thought, could have been cut a little bit bigger. I didn't get as much apple as I did as oatmeal, but that was delicious.
The apple was actually great. Could have reduced the sugar, but otherwise the crunchiness, everything came out pretty good.
But I have to say, the tuna cakes were the bomb. I mean, they were delicious, colorful, the bok choy, what flavor. I mean, it was cooked perfectly, and the brown rice was a great accompaniment. And his pudding was spot on too.
For the tuna, wow, I have no words. That was excellent. And it went well with the brown rice and the vegetables, which made it a very nice and complete meal. For the dessert, the brown rice could have cooked a little bit longer, but otherwise it was great with the coconut milk.
Now that our judges are making their final notes, let's check in on our competitors. Chef, any tips for when you're cooking with canned goods?
Well, canned goods have a lot of salt in it, so when buying, I would try to pick one with less salt.
It's a good tip. Semira, how do you think the competition went today?
Today was fun. It was nerve-wracking, but I think I did a good job.
You did very well.
Thank you.
Looks like our judges have made a decision. I'm gonna go join them. Well, it seems like we have a winner.
Yes.
And the winner of this Terps vs. Pros Sustainable Food Challenge is Chef Jerome. Congratulations, Chef Jerome, on winning today's Terps vs. Pros Sustainable Food Challenge. Join us next time to watch UMD students face off against top chefs as we take on the challenges of healthy eating that students face today. I'm Patrick Keenan. See you next time.